Hi everyone, TechATV here. In today's video, we will show you how to replace carriage timing belt of this Epson Ecotank L3210 printer. But before we proceed, let me show you the error of this unit. As we notice here, red and green indicator LED are flashing simultaneously. Then when we attempt to print, this gonna be its error appears on our computer. Here it shows error code 000031. So now let's proceed to our unit to check the error, where it's coming from. Step 1, please turn off the printer. Then, open the front door and lift the scanner. Then, turn it on again and observe. When you hear that sound, probably it's a CR timing belt problem. Just let me turn it on again, then observe the sound. This issue occurred due to loose or slide CR timing belt. To solve this problem, try this solution number 1. Try to tighten your carriage timing belt through its timing belt holder screw. To do that, turn off your printer first. Then tighten the carriage timing belt holder using a Phillips screwdriver. Then turn on again, then observe if the necessary noise is gone. But unfortunately solution number 1 doesn't fix the issue. Then let's proceed on solution number 2. To replace its carriage timing belt, turn off your printer again and start disassembling the unit. Don't forget to unplug the power cord and USB cable. Then, detach the scanner flex cables. Then, remove the flatbed scanner. Unscrew the waste tank cover. Then, pull to remove the cover. Unscrew the waste ink tank. Then, using a flat screwdriver, you can remove the waste pad tank. Remove this side cover. Then, unscrew the encoder strip holder. Detach the carriage encoder strip. Then remove the carriage motor. Then uninstall the ink system. Then, you can now remove the carriage timing belt. So we found here that its carriage timing belt is need to be replaced. So now we have here a new carriage timing belt. Then, securely attach it to its carriage timing belt holder. Then, install the ink system and secure with its screw. Install the carriage motor. Then securely screw the CR encoder strip holder. Attach the carriage encoder strip properly. Then, align and securely attach the carriage timing belt to the carriage motor. Then, make sure to tighten the carriage belt holder screw. Then, attach the side cover. Install the waste ink pad tank. Secure with screw. Attach the waste ink pad tank cover. And also secure with screw. Then, align the pickup arm to its original position. Then, install the flatbed scanner. Attach the scanner flex cables. Then, plug in the power cord and USB cable. Then, turn on the unit and observe if we really fix the issue. Now, observe if there is a timing belt slide noise again. As we can see here, there's no noise and error coming out. So now, let's load a paper to test print the unit. Then, now we are able to print and the error was gone. That's how simple it is to replace the carriage timing belt for this Epson Ecotank L3210 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.